Holes in the Hood, take 2. So we're here at this property that we're changing a few tiles out because it's cracked. So if you tap on the tile, you'll hear a void underneath this tile, which made it crack. And here we have the tools that we're going to use to do the repair. Hammer drill, grinder, and our trusty 380. Over here, if you notice, we've already started lifting up the tile. We've busted it up with the impact hammer, and then also cut the grout lines before we done that. And after we did that, we noticed a couple things. Well, 3 things. One, they didn't put the cement board, the Wonder Board, in a bed of thin set, which causes voids underneath the Wonder Board. So you have to put it in a bed of thin set, and you have to screw the almighty living hell out of it. The other thing that they did was, if you notice right here, they never back buttered the tile. So if you notice, there's no adhesion to this tile, which creates a void, which creates cracks in the tile. So make sure you do all that correctly, and also follow the instructions on how to mix the thin setup. If it's too wet, it's not going to adhere correctly. If it's too dry, it's definitely not going to adhere correctly. And then lastly, make sure you back butter. Peace.